Hi everyone. Our function f of x equals square root of x is defined over an interval 0, 4. We're going to graph it indicating the area under f from a to b and approximate the area by partitioning it into 4 subintervals and also 8 subintervals. And in both cases, we're going to use the left endpoint of each subinterval. And then we're going to express the area as an integral. And for my class, we're also going to integrate. So I went ahead and drew the curve. They just want you to draw the curve, but let's go ahead and partition it. So if I do the 4 intervals here, I'm starting at 0 and there's nothing to go up to, so then my next is 1. So basically I'm going up, I'll use yellow. I'm going to go up to, I put the halves in for the second part. So right now we're just doing the 4 parts. And you go from here to there, go here to there, go here to there. And you just kind of draw down here. So that's what we're taking the area of for this. All right. We're using the left endpoint. Remember, we do have 5 endpoints here for this first one. And so we're going to start at 0 and go to 3. And we're taking the area of each rectangle. So basically we're going to approximate the area as, since we're going by ones, this is your base, is 1. So you just do 4 minus 0 divided by 4 equals 1. That's your base. And then to get your height, we're looking at our y value. So we're doing f of 0 times 1 plus f of 1 times 1 plus f of 2 times 1 plus f of 3 times 1. So this is going to give you 0. F of 0 is just 0. F of 1 is just square root of 2. F of 2 is going to be, let's see, square root of, F of 1 is just 1, sorry. F of 1 is just 1, plus F of 2 is square root of 2, plus square root of 3. And that's going to equal approximately 4.15. All right, remember this is about 1.41. This is about 1.43. It's kind of good to know these when you're doing it. All right, now we're going to do the 8 intervals. And so that we're going to have all these other rectangles. So let's do that. For the 8, we are going to use the 1/2. So I do start at 0 again because that is my left endpoint. There's nowhere to go. So we're going to go ahead and start at 0.5. So you go up here and go across. Then at 1, we go up here and then go to 1.5. Go up, go here, and then go up, go here, go up, go here, go up, go here, go up, go here. And then that's how I usually do it, and then I just draw the lines down. Okay, so there we go. There's our intervals. We have to start at the left endpoint, so we're starting at 0, and we're going to go to 3.5. Now, in this case, our base is 1/2, because you take 4 minus 0 divided by 8 gives you 1/2. So when you're doing that, you're going to do your area. It's approximately f of 0, which is your y value, or your length, and then you times it by 1/2. So we just have to write all this out, plus f of 1/2 times 1/2, plus f of 1 times 1/2, plus f of 3/2 times 1/2, plus f of 2 times 1/2, plus f of 3, not 3, but 5/2, times 1/2 plus f of 3 times 1/2 plus f of 7/2 times 1/2. Now we're going to pull out the 1/2 and just evaluate these pieces here. So that's going to give you 0 plus 1 divided by square root of 2 plus 1 plus square root of 3. Let's just do this. Square root of 3 divided by 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 7 divided by 2. And remember, you have to distribute this 1/2. So basically, when you do that, you're going to get 0 plus square root of 2 divided by 4 plus 1/2 plus square root of 6 divided by 4 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 10 divided by 4 plus square root of 3 divided by 2 plus square root of 14 divided by 4. And this is going to be approximately 4.77 is the area. Now we're going to write this as an integral. And the way you do that is write your integral sign, and we're going from 0 to 4. Your integrand, I'm going to write this as x to the 1/2. And then you write dx. And we're going to take the antiderivative. And if you don't know how to do that yet, then you probably need to skip that. And this is all you need. You can write it as x to the 1/2 or square root of x. We're going to take the antiderivative. So this is x. And you add 1 to this. So that's going to be 3/2 divided by 3/2. And then you're evaluating this from 0 to 4. Now this can be written as 2x to the 3/2 divided by 3 evaluated at 0 to 4. So when you plug in 4, you're going to get 2 times the square root of 4 cubed divided by 3. And then it's going to be minus 0. So the only thing we have to really deal with is this part. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. So this is 2 times 8 divided by 3. And that's 16 divided by 3. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.